Hey boys and girls, welcome to math. Yesterday we talked about bundling groups of 10 to make 100. Today we're going to talk about how you can show that in more than one way. So let's look at this example. 100, 4 tens, right here, is the same thing as 140. You can flip it around and say 4 tens plus 100 equals 140. So either way you write it, it makes the same number. It's the same amount. Let's do another one together. Right here, 10 tens plus how many tens equals 12 tens? So let's add them up. Well, here's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I have 10 tens plus how many more tens to make 12? Well, 10 plus 2 more is 12. So let me add 1, 2. Okay? So 10 tens plus 2 tens equals 12 tens. All right? How many hundreds plus 2 tens equals 12 tens? Well, I remember that 10 tens, let me take these back. I remember that 10 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens is 100. So this is 10 tens. So I would have 11, 12. So here's 10 tens, 11, 12. 12 tens. So 100 plus 2 more right here. 100 plus 2 tens is 12 tens. All of these are 12 tens. All right. 12 tens equals how many ones? So if I know that if I add these over here, we have all together. Pretend like these are all tens. This is a flat. I know that. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So 10 tens is 100, right? So that's 100 plus 10 more is 110 plus 10 more is 120. So this is 120 altogether. So 12 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of these equals 120. 100 plus 2 tens is 12 tens. 10 tens plus 2 tens is 12 tens. Now it is your turn to go into your notebook, your math notebook, and I want you to draw the 100, tens, and ones chart. And inside your notebook, I want you to write the number 245 in your journal. But I want you to make the place value chart like this one and draw using a square for the hundreds, a line for the tens, and a dot for the ones. So let me model that for you. So in your notebook, I want you to make hundreds, tens, and ones. And you need to draw the number 245. To help me, I like to draw it out, 245. So on your own in your notebook, I want you to draw this. And then meet me back on Zoom and we will go over what the answer is. See you soon.